a lot of people were quite concerned about the shooting incidences, mainly because ang mga victims were women. So of course, I'm concerned kasi nga syempre, mga babae ang naging biktima. Pero apparently, it seemed like these are isolated cases. And ang nangyayari kasi, ang tawag nila doon ay crimes of passion. So siguro masyadong maraming nanonood ng mga telenovela at nagkakaroon ng kung ano-ano. And I guess talagang mga Ilocano ay passionate. So these are isolated cases then, although one incident included a police person. So yun lang naman ang naging medyo matunog, and everyone was quite concerned, but I believe they handled it properly. They isolated the person para hindi ma-taint ang investigation. So I think they did a pretty good job in investigating. So it's still all under investigation now, but I believe our police force were all quite, they were attentive to how the investigation would run. So hindi naman po ang magiging bias ang pag-investigate. Sinabi ko lang right now kasi I think they are so engrossed with all their procedures and all that. I just felt na kailangan may presence din sila sa either social media or sa news na para maisabi nila yung ginagawa nila. So apparently they took that naman into consideration na magkaroon sila ng more announcements para mas nakakaalam ng tao kung ano nangyayari. And apparently some of you were present there also, and ang nangyari is we were saying baka kailangan ng mga health breaks if ever, kasi it really is a very stressful job, right? To be protecting the whole province of Ilocos Norte. So we were saying that dapat to make sure that the mga chief of police and the rank and file have their health breaks para hindi naman puro stress ang naaanohan nila. And apparently, sabi naman ni P.D. Labiano na meron din silang mga moral, parang moral recovery, mga ganun, mga spiritual actions every Monday yata, or when they have their meetings, nagkakaroon sila ng parang the other side, just to balance out whatever it is that they have sa stress, no?